This image has a lot of text. Right-click and choose Open with Google Docs. Opening with Google Docs shows the image. The image shows up. Clicking allows resizing since it's an image. The cursor stops on it as an image. Scroll down to find the text available. Copy it and open a Word document. The text is now in Arabic. Check the chat for messages. Upload images containing text. As you can see, this image can be resized when clicked because it's an image, not text. The cursor stops on it as an image, not text. Scrolling down, you'll find the text is now available and can be copied. You can copy it and open a Word document to paste the text. It's in Arabic and you can benefit from it. Let's check the chat. There was a message. You can upload images with text to your Gmail drive and open them with Google Docs. It will bring you the image with the text inside. Copy it and open Word. It's in Arabic. The text is now here in Arabic. Check the chat. There was a message. Upload images with text, right? A PDF might not just contain text, it could have images, like a drawing. As written text, upload images to Gmail Drive, click image, choose Open with Google Docs. It shows image with text. Opens text. This text is an example. We have now extracted the text. Another way, if we want to see how to get this text, is through. This is because the PDF file might not just contain text, it could also have images, like a drawing. So of course, as an image, it won't show up, but as written text, you can upload the images here to your Gmail Drive, click on the image and say, Open with Google Docs. All right, it will then bring you the image along with the text inside. It will open the text. It shows the image and the text appears. This text is the same as the text in the image, which starts with the words, this text is an example. This text is an example of text that can be replaced. So we have now extracted the text. Another way, if we want to see how to get this text, is through Gemini or any AI tool. For example, if I showed you a tool like Google Gemini, the doctor has a question. How can we unlock a locked PDF? Is it password protected? This needs specific tools, doctor. So it needs to be done with specific tools and it requires some work. So the process takes time. Gemini or any AI tool with artificial intelligence, for example, if I send you a tool like Google, Gemini, please send me the link as well. The doctor has a question. How can we unlock a locked PDF? Is it password protected? This requires specific programs and certain work, doctor. So it needs to be done with specific tools, and we might need to try several programs. It requires some work, so the process takes time. Dr. Allah is now saying that we can use I Love BDF, but it may open some and not open others. I have not tried it through I Love BDF, frankly, which is unlock and in a project, meaning you can try the unlock here. Dr. Allah also took note of this here, but I also haven't tried it for safety reasons, so I don't want to mislead you. I haven't used this tool because I didn't have a PDF file that I needed to unlock, and I don't know if it unlocks all files or not, because unlocking has different levels and types of protection, so I'm not sure what kind of protection the file has. Dr. Allah has informed us that the unlocking process is excellent, and there are other sites as well. So the idea is that when I get a file like this, as I mentioned to you, I try it out. Just like Dr. Allah is trying different sites, I might not be able to try other sites. The whole idea is that it doesn't have to be specific site. It's all about trial and error. Dr. Allah said that unlocking is great and there are other sites. So idea is that when I get a file like this, I test it. I may not try others. The idea is trial and error, not specific sites. I'm also recording this question to send a list of sites, God willing. Feedback is excellent. Our goal for today. After I'll send sites to find the best for unlocking PDFs. Our point now is extracting text from an image. Also, the link I sent is Gemini or Google Gemini. I'm recording this question to send you a list of sites to try, God willing. The doctor said the feedback is excellent, which was our goal for today's meeting. After the meeting, I'll send you sites to try for unlocking PDF files. Now, let's focus on extracting text from an image. I sent you a link to Gemini, formerly Bard, created by Google. We discussed Bard before, but it's now revamped as Gemini. Use the link and make sure to open it. The most important thing is some sites for you to try until we find out which are the best sites for unlocking PDF files. The point we're discussing now, so we don't stray from our topic, is how to extract text from an image. Another good thing is the link I sent you a little while ago, which is Gemini. This is also related to, of course, you all know about ChatGPT, and Google created Gemini. Initially, Gemini was called Bard. We talked about Bard in previous sessions, but they have revamped it and renamed it to Gemini, all right? So this link that you can also use, just make sure to open it. The most important thing is to have Gmail account. That means you need to have a Gmail account. You can open your Gmail email. And how do you open it? Of course, this is the link through which you can create an account on Gmail. I'm also sending you this link so you can open your Gmail account quickly, just so you know. Open the link and click on Create Account. You click on the Create Account button. It asks for your name and age. Then choose your account name and password. After creating your Gmail, open Gemini. Gemini asks which account to log in with. Click your Gmail to log in directly. Enter any request, and it responds. A great feature is adding a picture. Upload a picture. Ask, what is the text? And hit enter to retrieve it. With your Gmail account, you go to your Gmail screen easily. Today's meeting isn't about AI. We discussed it before. Here, you can enter any request and it will respond to you. A great feature of Google Gemini is adding a picture. I can bring and specify an image, then ask, what is the text in the image, and hit enter to retrieve it. Now it works. I did it. As you see, mention the text in the image, and it provides it. Instead of typing, I give it the image, so you see the text as written. And this image, what is the text in the image? It will provide the text. This text shows computer components. It retrieved the exact paragraph that is present in the image, all the way to the word output and the output units. Now it's starting to work. I had done it, as you can see, mention the text inside the image, or mention the text present in the image, and it will retrieve the text. So instead of typing the text myself, I just give it the image. So you can see the text exactly as it was written. Now, let's take this example. It covered another image. If you look here, the computer consists of components. It retrieved the exact paragraph that is present in the image, all the way to the word output and the output units. So you can copy the text and paste it into a Word document. This means you can also use some websites or tools where the question needs to be clear, explicit, and specific. Every question you ask should be precise. We bring this shape covered another image. This text, if you see it, is exactly here. The computer consists of components. It brought the text exactly. This entire paragraph that is in the image up to here. Brother, the word output, output units. It brought output units. So I brought the exact text. So here you will be able to take the text, copy the text, and make copies and copies in the Word file. It remains possible also from some sites or tools that are used for the question to be clear, explicit, and specific. Each question of yours to be specific. I provided it with the image and asked it, for example, to mention the text present in the image, and it retrieved the text exactly. Then it also gave me some additional notes from its side. Not only that, but it also translated the text into English. I'm saving this for you all because of the translation topic. We also talked about translation before, and it started giving me the source of the text I provided, which is in the image. It told me, this source comes from here, and it showed me the source. It said, this is the source. We also talked about the topic of translation, and it started giving me the source of the text I provided, which is in the image. It told me, this source comes from here, and it showed me the source. It said, this is the source.